In today's video, I'm going to be answering the question of, does suffer sub actually work? And the answer to that question is a no. Also, it's worth mentioning that this is against YouTube's terms and conditions, so you could get your channel suspended. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, like it. Actually, hold up. I guess I should rewind it a little bit, try to make this video at least a minute long. So let me go ahead and try to elaborate a little bit more. You are looking for people to sub with. You ask somebody, hey, you want to go ahead and do a sub for sub. Maybe you did it on Facebook groups or whatever, it doesn't matter. But find some random person, hey, let's do a sub for sub. They say, okay. So you go to each other's channel and both of you subscribe to each other, and that's it. That's it. That's it. Both of y'all not going to be looking at each other's channels, because it's like, I didn't actually subscribe to you because I'm interested in what you do. So anytime a video pop up, then I'm just going to ignore it, especially if you don't even, hit the notification bell, which more times than not you're not, and they will be the exact same with you. Hey, come subscribe to my channel. Some people don't even subscribe back, or they'll subscribe to your channel and then immediately unsubscribe. Same thing with like comments and likes. Hey, like my channel, and then they go like your, well, I said channel, but like your video, and then somebody be like, all right, well, they already liked it first, so I ain't got to really hold up my end of the bargain. Then you're just going to end up being bitter. So yeah, don't do it. It's not even worth the time. If you're not having anybody looking at your videos from the sub for sub, it's going to hurt your click-through rate. YouTube looks at your click-through rate and says, hey, not a lot of people are actually clicking on this video, so there's no point in promoting it to other people. So hopefully, with that being said, after I gave you a little more to go off on, hopefully that helped you out. And if you enjoyed the video, why don't you go ahead and like it so other people know that this is a good video to check out. And also, you should think about subscribing to the channel, because I'll be answering a couple more questions just like this, as well as having some tutorials on YouTube itself. So those interest you, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, thanks for watching.